In this video, I'll show you how to change your age on TikTok. So the issue you're obviously dealing with is that when you created your account, you accidentally set your age incorrectly and now you want to change it. So let's get started on how to do it. As you can see, there's no option to do this in your settings. And the only time TikTok lets you choose your birthday is when you sign up. I've seen a couple of videos about this, and they all tell you to sign out of your account and other stuff, but you don't really need to do anything like that. And a good number of people have ended up losing their accounts using that technique. Instead, go to your profile by hitting this at the bottom right of the page. Then press the 3 lines at the top right of the page, then select Settings and Privacy, and you should be here. Now scroll down till you find the Support section. Touch Report a Problem then just underneath Topics, Touch, Account, and Profile. Click Editing Profile and then select Other. Because there isn't a way to change your age in TikTok, and now select No and tap on Need More Help. Type your message into this feedback box, such as I really need to change my birthday on my account because the current age is incorrect. I can prove my age by showing you my ID and also don't actually add any images of your ID unless they request you to later on. And now just press the report, and you may have to wait a few days for them to reply to you via your email, which you set up with TikTok. They will assist you in resolving the issue. So aside from creating a brand new account, that's the only way to change your age right now. If you have any other questions, please post them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe so that more people can see it. Also, please let us know if this is still working in the comments. Thank you.